So we need to work on, yes, duration, meaning remaining, yes, in the spot for a longer time. So what I'll do is I'll put a good amount in my hand, good amount of food, okay? And then I'm going to ask for it down. Yes. Give him just a little bit of food. Take my hand away. Yes. And reinforce immediately. Yes. Yes. Down. Yes. Give him a little bit of food. Down. Yes. So he understands that even though the hand is being taken away, he should remain in that position. Right? Down. Yes. Give him a little bit of food. Take the hand away. Yes. Reward. Mark and reward while he's still in the down. Yes. 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 Good down. Yes. Good down. Excellent. So he's remained in that down for a much longer time period. Okay, so we'll do it with stand. Yes. Good stand. Yes. Yes. Good stand. Excellent. Sit. Yes. Good sit. Yes. So his sit duration is great. He'll remain in that sit for a good, yes, 3 or 4 handfuls. He will remain in this sit. So that's fantastic. We kind of check that off. But the down, he still needs some work on. Yes. We're going to mark as soon as he downs and then bring that hand away. Yes. 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 Good down. Excellent. Good job. Very nice. Yes. Good down. Not you, Orley. I'm also a big, yes, firm believer in distractions early on. So we've got Arlie here. Yes. Yes. Oh, almost got it. Yes. Yes. Good stand. Yes. Make sure when you're pulling the food away for stand, yes, that you're going at nose level and not bringing it above his head. Otherwise, he's going to SIT. Yes. Stand. Yes. 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 Good stand. Excellent. Yes. Oh, stand. Yes. Good job, sir. He's got his thinking cap on today. Stand. Yes. We just worked on spot, so he's kind of getting his wires crossed a little bit. He's trying to use those front paws. Yes. That's okay. Yes. He'll figure it out. He's trying. That's all I want. He's a try hard. He's a try hard. Very nice. Yes. Eye contact. Very nice. Stand. Yes. So you notice how I'm not working on sit as much. Yes. SIT as much. Yes. Good stand. Because he's really got that nailed down, but he's having a harder time. Yes. With this remaining in the stand for a longer time period, duration. Yes. So that's what we're working on, right? Yes. Nice. Excellent. That is so good. Let's get left turn, Speeny. Speeny. Yes. Oh, nice. Or like it. Go that way. This way, Speeny. Yes. Oh, wow. He's a Speedy man. And a Speeny. Yes. And goes off. Come on. Yes. Good. Off and up. Yes. Good up. Good job. Oh, he's so good.